De Bruyne. Oh, it was a mistake by David Luiz, and Sterling this time.
Screaming for it in the middle. James on his birthday. Rashford! How did he miss that?
Nice swerve by Neymar, down on the ground, still loose. Mbappe slaps it home with his hand, showing his frustration, thinking that maybe a foul could be there, but
so it's hard just to when the goalies are starting like
straight by Adrian. Here's Llorente, and the shot, oh, he's in! Oh my word! The mistake is punished emphatically.
Bowled out. Oh, straight to McTominay. There's a goal to shoot at. There's a goal to find. And Manchester United have done the double in the derby. Scott McTominay with an extraordinary finish.
Yeah, the spaces are there, but...
And there's Salah. His first touch is vital. He's put it out of play because it looked as though he was passing to Jean Matip, who wasn't on the field. He's walking off. He's done.
6 games for club and country this season, and they're giving it away again. It's Buki. Can he score this one? Yes, he can. What were Manchester City thinking of?
There's Griezmann. Oh, Griezmann, it comes off for him. He squares it. And the unbelievable has happened. Leo Messi failing to connect.
Ze Španělska tohle je šance Daxler, budou balonu první, dával Icardimu, nakonec ještě šance a vlastní gol, tak tohle je smůla. A takové potvrzení toho, v jakých problémech se
Milner, oh that's short, and that's going to be a fourth, is it? It must be, it is, Maitland-Niles. Arsenal have a fourth, Liverpool have shot themselves in the foot here.
Just hold it up. It's come out again and has not got there, and there's a big chance here for Paderborn, and it's a goal for Paderborn. Shabin has it in the back of the net. Is the flag going to go up on this one? Not at the moment. And Manuel Neuer.
Now then, Dennis breaking in between the defenders. He might have scored here with his little lob. He has, you know.
Por la muerte de Veloso. Error de Ramos que va a aprovechar en la presión William José para lograr el 0-1. Corría el primer minuto de partido con 50 segundos.
Wide, Dybala on the turn. Oh, Ronaldo in the way.
What a great block by Ronaldo. You can't believe it.
Pereira trying to force Doherty back. I thought Shaw was closer to him than he actually was, and Doherty able to get that one away.
De Ligt, what's he done here? Caputo! And Buffon can't keep it out! It's a horror show at the back for Juve.
Lloris. Oh no! Hugo Lloris! What an absolute howler! And Danny Ings has pounced, and Southampton are level. Would you believe it?
Great keeping from Aaron Ramsdale! And that looked like a handball. And Steve Cook's going to be in massive trouble here. Yes, he is. Steve Cook, what on earth was he?
PSG will keep coming, and it's come all the way to Mbappe. The cushion did not last for long at all. Varane inexplicably let the ball drift. And here's Robertson, and Shaw's missed it, and Salah has incredibly missed it too.
In the centre, taking on John Stones. Zaha own goal. 2-2. Final minute of the 90. Palace didn't give it up.
Was caught after he released that by Chambers. Free kick quickly taken. Danny Ings might be in here. Great chance for Southampton, and Ings puts it in. Arsenal undressed by that quick bit of thinking by Southampton. Giving it back to them. Oh, Van Dijk! My goodness me. To Chelsea. Well, Zuma didn't expect that.
Walcott slipping through Calvert-Lewin. The back heel for Davis. Is there a third for Everton? Davis, great feet, what a tackle! Oh, but he's in! Calvert-Lewin! Surely no way back for Chelsea now!
Take it. Nice delivery. Oh, it's an easy goal for Jorginho. Chelsea level. Sailing over the top of Bernd Leno's head. He can't believe it. And neither can most of the people in the ground.
It's an excellent ball through to Serge Gnabry. Serge Gnabry looks up. Robert Lewandowski must score. And how on earth does he fail to do so? That would have been a club record.
Time to take a touch. Oh, he's lost possession. Traore, Jimenez, Zizou, and so preventable for Manchester City.
Three in the middle to hit. Looks for the far post area. Oh, what a chance! What an opportunity that was.
Oh, the Dutch defenders are distraught, and perhaps for good reason. Nico Schultz was involved at the byline. It seemed to be inadvertent to my eyes,
Absolutely. This is ball to hand in the definition.
Keeper comes a long way, Gigio Donnarumma, and he's in trouble here. And Udinese have opened the scoring through Jens Strigen Larsen. What was Donnarumma thinking?
It's Mahrez again. Got De Bruyne with him. Having De Bruyne weaving through. Oh, and it's an own goal of Pereira.
Support arriving, it's Armstrong. Fumbled and put in by Ward-Prowse. Ederson couldn't hold it. And Ward-Prowse came rushing in at just the right time. Would you believe it?
And it's going to break for Sarr. Oh, it's in! A horrible error from David De Gea. And Ismaila Sarr gives Watford the lead.
Mora, and it's on, and it should have been 1-1, and that's a massive opportunity for Tottenham.
Now this time is again.
João Félix, que pase de Correa y no puede definir Morata en boca de gol a apenas 2 metros. Increíble. Parece imposible que esa pelota no la haya podido tocar al gol.
Incredibly, Chelsea have got away with it. Extraordinary let-off for Arita Balaga. It's an awful clearance of all the people to give the ball.
Willian. Marcus Alonso on the move, but so is Gazaniga, and he missed it. And he's come flying in and caught Marcus Alonso too. And Anthony Taylor has given it Spurs way. Option perhaps as the game goes on. Jesse Lingard now through one-on-one and firing just over the bar.
Oh, and Adrian gives it away. And it's a gift of a goal for Danny Ings. What an extraordinary moment.
First cross that Hugo Lloris has handed dropped, and it's headed in, and it's a real clanger from the Tottenham Hotspur captain. Lloris is injured, and a stake.
3-4-3. He's playing at centre half. Here's Ederson. Didn't get that. That could well be a red card.
Whipped in a good ball. This is Wijnaldum, and Henderson's let it go through. And Liverpool have got the breakthrough. Gini Wijnaldum strike. Rudiger's challenge. One back from Son. Anthony Taylor has something to look at with VAR's help here.
Oh, Alisson in trouble here. Could they have longer get it away?